You're standing in a bathroom you stopped liking a long time ago. The tile feels tired, the vanity looks dated, and every time you walk in, your brain jumps straight to demolition. But before you start tearing things out, there is a better question than whether a remodel would look nicer. The real question is whether this bathroom is actually worth remodeling for your goals, your budget, and your house, or whether you're about to spend real money just to respond to frustration. Most people are not really asking whether the bathroom is ugly. They're asking whether fixing it will pay them back, financially or emotionally, enough to justify the disruption. Start by separating three very different projects that homeowners often lump together. A cosmetic update means surfaces and fixtures, paint, lighting, mirror, hardware, maybe a vanity swap, nothing behind the walls. A mid-range remodel replaces core elements without moving the room's structure. A full gut means the room comes apart to the studs, and that is a different level of cost, risk, and payoff. Getting scope wrong early is where most bathroom decisions go sideways. Cosmetic work makes sense when the bathroom is mostly functional and the problem is visual fatigue. Nothing is seriously failing. The layout still works. You just need the room to stop feeling old. This is the cheapest way to change the experience of the space because you're improving what people see without reopening the expensive parts behind the walls. Mid-range is the middle path most homeowners should at least consider. This is for a bathroom that has real wear, awkward storage, dated finishes, or fixtures nearing the end of their life, but not a layout so broken that everything needs to move. You get meaningful improvement in comfort and usability without paying the full price of rebuilding from scratch. A full gut only starts to make sense when the bathroom has deeper issues: water damage, failing tile work, chronic moisture, a layout that truly does not function, or a long-term ownership plan where daily use matters more than short-term payback. This is also where people overspend fastest because the dream version of the bathroom can outrun the actual value of the improvement. Remodeling can add value. It just does not add value evenly, and bigger projects do not automatically win. About 100%. A well-judged cosmetic update can return nearly what you spend because it changes perception cheaply and quickly. Roughly 60 to 70%. Mid-range work improves the room in real ways, but the cost climbs faster than the resale bump. Around 50 to 60%. Full gut remodels can be worth doing, but they are usually the weakest pure resale play of the three. This is where homeowners get stuck, because resale logic and real-life living logic are not the same equation. If you expect to sell soon, treat the bathroom like a business decision. Buyers want clean, fresh, functional, and neutral. They do not pay you back for luxury choices, custom splurges, or layout overhauls that mainly reflect your taste. They reward broad appeal, not personal expression. But if you're staying for years, the math changes. Better storage, easier cleaning, better lighting, a safer shower, or a layout that works every morning can justify a lower resale return, but because the payoff is daily use, not just a future list price. Ask 3 filters before you touch a demo bar. First, is the bathroom actually failing or just dated? Second, are you solving for resale, daily comfort, or both? Third, how long will you stay in the house? Dated but functional usually points to cosmetic. Worn and frustrating often points to mid-range. Hidden damage, chronic moisture, or a truly broken layout is where full gut territory becomes reasonable. Some bathrooms do not need a remodel. They need honesty, restraint, and maybe a smaller update than your frustration first suggested. If the fixtures work, the layout is fine, there is no hidden damage, and your biggest complaint is that the room feels boring, you may not need a remodel at all. You may need paint, lighting, recaulked joints, better hardware, or a cleaner vanity top. Homeowners get into trouble when annoyance gets translated into demolition. "I don't love it" is not the same thing as "this room needs to be rebuilt." The simplest framework: choose cosmetic if the room works and you want the highest chance of payback. Choose mid-range if the bathroom has real wear or usability problems, but the bones are still good. Choose full gut only when condition or long-term lifestyle truly demands it. And choose no major remodel when the bathroom is good enough, the money would serve you better elsewhere, or you're chasing a perfect room the house will never return. That last choice is often the most disciplined one. The smartest remodel is not the biggest one. It's the one that matches the condition of the bathroom, the timeline of your ownership, and the kind of value you actually care about. If you can answer those three things clearly before demo starts, you are already making a better renovation decision than most homeowners do.